Hello everyone, welcome back to Little Scholar Public School online classes. Class 3rd, subject computer. Students, we have already learned about input and output devices. Today, in this session, we are going to learn about software. So let's get started. Software. Software means a set of programs needed to control the functioning of hardware is known as a software. Students, all of you know that hardware means what? Hardware means the computer parts that we can touch and see. And that hardware parts controls the software. For example, MS Paint, Notepad, TuxPaint, WordPad, etc. All the programs, files, folders, apps, games, etc. on the computers are softwares. Dear students, all of you know that MS Paint, Notepad, TuxPaint, WordPad, etc. All these programs in the computer are called the software. Any hardware cannot function without a software. To give the command to the software, we use hardware. Now, software can be further classified into two types: application software and system software. So, let us discuss about application software. Now, application software are the programs that are meant to perform a specific task. The application software needs to be installed in a computer before use. For example, MS Office, MS Paint and games. Application software means the software, whatever softwares we have to install before we use it. Means all of you playing games on the computer, before we have to use that game, we have to first install, then only we can play. Likewise, application software means whatever software we want to use it, that software first we have to install, then only we can use it. Some application software such as MS Paint, WordPad, calculator, etc. comes pre-installed with the Windows operating system. There are other application software that are commonly used and can be installed by the user, for example, TuxPaint, Photoshop, etc. Means some application software such as MS Paint, WordPad, calculator, etc. comes in pre-installed with the Windows operating system. We all know that if we want to use the computer, we want operating system. In that, some applications are pre-installed with the Windows operating system. There are other application software that are commonly used and can be installed by the user, for example, TuxPaint and Photoshop. These two are the commonly used and can be installed by the user. User means we, whoever will be use that. This is the window of MS Word 2010, Microsoft Word 2010. Now let us discuss about system software. To ensure the proper functioning of the computer, system software is used. A system software controls the working of a computer, it also helps the application software to function properly. An operating system which comes installed within a computer is a system software. Some commonly used operating systems include Linux, Unix, Windows and Mac OS means Microsoft operating system. Mac means Microsoft, O means operating, S means system. Now system software means to ensure the proper functioning of the computer, system software is used. A system software controls the working of a computer. It controls the working of the computer. It also helps the application software to function the properly. Whatever application softwares means whatever softwares we are using, that system software, it helps to that application software to function the properly. The most popular operating system used nowadays is Windows. It is also updated from the time to time. Some of the Windows version are mostly commonly we use Windows XP, Windows 7, Windows Vista and Windows 8. So students, here our first chapter of computer is completed. What we have learned? The components of the computer that you can see or touch are called hardware. To control the hardware and the different components of the computer, we use the software. Means we learn that the components of the computer, that whatever parts we can see or touch are called the hardware. And next we learn about the software. To control the hardware and the different components of the computer, we use the software. An input device is used to enter the data in a computer. Any data that is input to the computer is processed by the CPU. We learn that processing unit is the CPU. The result are displayed using the output devices. MS Paint, WordPad, MS Office are some examples of the application software, while Linux, Unix, Windows and Microsoft operating system are some example of system software. Students, hope you enjoyed this session. I will give you question answers that you have to write in your notebook, and stay home, stay safe.